Hi, today I want to talk about how Clickbank works and can it be trusted? My name's Victor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below and I'll respond to them directly myself, and also please subscribe to my channel. So today's talk is a little bit about how Clickbank works and can they be trusted. And so first, actually, I want to think about that in reverse. Can it be trusted? Well, Clickbank's been around for quite some time. They were actually started in 1998. And in 2011, research was done, and it appeared that they had 1.5 million affiliates. That means people that could promote products and everything. And they were saying that on average, 100,000 of those affiliates were active at any given time. So that's over 10 years ago almost. And that's pretty wild. So it's huge. They're the largest online or internet retailer of digital products. They sell on average 30,000 cells a day. That's a lot of selling. And they have digital products, but they also have physical products. A lot of stuff that's like weight loss pills and all kinds of stuff like that are Clickbank products. And the other reason that I trust them is they have a good refund policy. When it comes to, if I see a product that I like and I want to give it a try, and if I have problems, I know that I can get a refund if it was a Clickbank product, because Clickbank protects the customer like that. They also have some benefits for people that are vendors. In other words, if you have a product that you want to sell on Clickbank, some of the benefits are you get paid. And they handle and manage affiliates for you and everything. And the affiliates get paid. And they have a ticketing system and all kinds of stuff to help you out and help customers out and help affiliates out. So, I mean, it's a win-win-win all the way around. Pretty cool. So how does it work? Well, for affiliates, people that are going to promote products, you can create an account. And by the way, you can create two kinds of an account. Well, I would say three types of accounts with Clickbank. You can create an affiliate account, a vendor account where you have your own products, or a combo account where you are a vendor and an affiliate also. Pretty powerful. So as an affiliate, you create an account, you find products to promote, and Clickbank has that marketplace, right? So the Clickbank marketplace itself, you can come and you can search for all kinds of products. I mean, the categories are crazy. As an affiliate, you go and find products that you want to promote so that you can make money. I mean, pretty simple, right? So you can use the Clickbank marketplace, and I have here that suggested by others. You might see an advertisement, or somebody might suggest that you sell something, or maybe you buy something and find out that it was, oh, I bought this and it was through Clickbank and I like it and I want to promote it. You could go to their marketplace, do a search for it, and potentially actually promote it yourself as an affiliate. When you find a product that you like in the Clickbank marketplace, fun fact, when you click the search icon without typing anything in, the leading products are listed automatically in the marketplace. And so if you want to promote a product as an affiliate, you find the product you want, you click the button to promote, you type in your affiliate nickname, right? Say generate hop links, and you get this link. And the link ultimately is what you want people to click on so that they buy a product that you are promoting. How do you promote it? Well, you could create blog posts. You could make videos, like I'm making a video right now. You could make videos and promote specific products. You can do webinars, social media in general, like you're chatting with people on Facebook and other ways. And you can just, or maybe you have a podcast and you say, hey, go check this out. Here's a link. And you want people to go to that link. One-to-one, you just meet somebody in the store or something else. Oh, I used to have headaches, but not anymore. I know, it sounds like a commercial. Well, it's marketing, right? I mean, it's affiliate marketing. Email list, of course. And then there's all kinds of paid advertising. between Facebook and Google has their search and YouTube videos and Bing and Spotify, and there's even ways to pay money for email advertising. I don't go that route so much, but there's all kinds of ways you can promote stuff. And then another thing about how it works and everything is, as an affiliate, Clickbank has a lot of good reporting and everything. They do for vendors too, although I haven't been a vendor yet. But in the reporting and everything, they have all kinds of analytics, and you can track who's clicking on what and how they're clicking on stuff, and what promotions that you're doing are working or not working, and what your sales are, and just everything's tracked. And it's all done through Clickbank. That's pretty powerful. Think about what it would take to track all of that yourself, right? It takes a lot of work, but if there's a software that's doing it for you, that's pretty handy. Basically, the affiliate gets people to go to their links and everything, and I'm going to recommend that you use tracking IDs. I created another video talking about Clickbank hops. What are they? Check that video out if you want to learn a little bit more information about how their links work and their tracking IDs. And then when people actually purchase stuff from an affiliate's link, the affiliate gets paid. And Clickbank does a good job of paying their affiliates. So that's how it works for affiliates. Now, how does it work for vendors? Well, as a vendor, you create a product. So you could have some kind of training, software, could be a PDF, could be videos or a series of videos that people download. Could be multimedia, combination of all of that. It could be downloadable, or it could just be, maybe it's online. Maybe somebody clicks and they get a link and they can do online training now. You could have one-time payments. You could have ongoing payments, or maybe it's membership or something like that. Very powerful, right? And then you promote the product. Now you can do that yourself using all of the ways that we outlined for affiliates. And then also, because you're a vendor, you can also be allowing affiliates to promote your products for you. That's very powerful. And then you make sales. Affiliates get paid automatically, and you get paid automatically. And then last thing I wanted to mention is that Clickbank has all kinds of training, even their own product called Clickbank University. If you go to 𝐀𝐻𝐿.com/CBU, you can find out more about Clickbank University. What I would say about that, and I would say about any online training or stuff you buy online, is if you try it, go ahead and check it out. But don't put it on a shelf. Check it out. Dig into it. It has a trial, this many day refund policy, all that kind of stuff. And so the way it works is you try it out. And if you don't like it, then stop it, so you don't have to spend any money or anything. Outside of that, well, I wanted to make this video, give you a little bit more information about how Clickbank works and can it be trusted. And I hope this video has answered some of those questions for you. I also have some other links of other information and possible things that might be interesting to you in the video description below. Outside of that, I hope everything goes good for you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.